Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, in this video we will learn how we can upload data on GitHub repository. For that, what we have to do, first of all we have to install the Git bash, the Git client. So for that, just go to the Google and type Git bash. It will search and display the first website, git-scm.com. Just click on this website, and whatever the operating system you have Mac or Linux or Windows, just click, just like I have a window, click on this. And as per the your Windows is 32-bit or 64-bit, as per the operating system processor, just to download the version. Just like I have a 64-bit, so I have downloaded already 64-bit like this. So just double click on it and install it. Because I have already installed, so I am not showing in this video how to install, because it's very easy. Just double click on it and follow the instruction. And in window it's very easy to install. Just double click, next and finish. That is the rule. So you just download and install in your PC. Because I have already installed, so I would not disturb the configuration of my PC, but you can install. Just a simple way you can install it. Then you have to go to the your GitHub, and here you have to create a new repository. And suppose I am creating here repository, my name, my code, just my code, and I can give description also. This is my coding data, like this, anything, and should be public or private, whatever you want, but mostly we should have public, or read file if you want to add. Otherwise just click on this create repository. So after that you will have the repository. This way you have created, and he is saying that how you can do the command, how you can upload the data on the repository from the command line. They are showing the process, but I am also giving here the way how I can show it, how we can upload the data. So what we have to do, first of all, we can copy this command, whatever this is, we can copy it. For example, this I already have the command, but I'm just showing you that how you can copy these command like this. These are the command which is showing by the GitHub, what you have to do for uploading your data. So first of all, what we have to do, we have some more code also, more steps also. We have to follow these login authentication, then we will follow these steps if required. So what we have to do, first of all, we go to the repository which we have, which we created just now. Click on this, and I'm created the my code repository. I go to this and go to the code window, and so far there is no data available, that's why it's not showing anything. It's a blank one. So what I have to do, I have to go to the folder that data I want to upload. So this is my data. For example, these PDF file I want to upload, or maybe any file. It may be any exe file, any text file, your code, whatever you have, but should be in the folder. So I have this data. Now I will go to the command prompt. If you will install the git, so if you put the git here like this, so you will have the git command in your PC after installation of git bash. Now the first command which we have to do is git init. So what we have to do, git init. Just go there and type here git init like this. So we have initialized the repository. Now second command, what we have to do, we have to configure it by the username and password, the authentication. So first name is name, so I copy it and I just paste here and paste. Okay, just copy paste, press enter. So what is shame, cannot override multiple value. So what we have to do, just put the equal to here, equal to here, like this, enter. So this way we have the username, then we have to put, and for email ID also just copy paste, press enter. You see you have configure your username of GitHub account, and you have configured the email also, email of your GitHub account. Now you have to configure the file which you want to add. So I want to add all the files. So what I have to do, just git add dot. This is the command, git add dot means the all file, and if you specify any file name, that only one file will upload. So like this, then we say that which file is going to be upload. So git status. So these are the files, those are ready to be uploaded on the GitHub repository. Now what we have to do, we have to make a commit. What the message we want to display, just git commit this command, git commit m option. So git commit and m for text information which you want to enter. This is my code on date, whatever the date you have you can put, or this is my code on GitHub, like this, and press enter. So these are the committed which you have write with your file. Now we have to try to upload it. So for that, what we have to do, we have committed, we have to give the location where we want to upload it. So this is the location, but if we don't have, so we may have this also from the website, and this is the path. So you can search the path. This is your repository name on which you will upload your data. So what we have did, so we have this also here. So just we have to give the on which branch we want to add the data. So this branch is main branch, because by default in repository we have by default is main branch. So we are telling to the GitHub that change the branch name to main, like this. Now we are telling to that this is the location where we have to upload the data. So just we copy this line and we paste this one also and press enter. You see, now I will push the data on the GitHub, that I will copy and paste. Now it will ask the password. If it's not entered, so I have entered already because I am using GitHub from last few years, so that's why it's not asking any password, but from you it will ask password also for first time. Then if you go there and refresh it, so you will see the data is uploaded on the main branch of your repository. This is showing here. And if later on you want to update your data like this, I created some folder here. I created some folder new data like this, and I copy some file also in this folder like this, or I created some new file, maybe some new file I created. So I can create any text file here like this, hello, or I can write any data also in this file if I want to write. Maybe I am doing some changes in my directory like this, I am printing some information. Now I want to update this information also on GitHub like this. Right now no updation is there, but I want to update it. So what we have to do, just I have to do again git add and dot, and then see git status. It will show you these are the file and which is the location change to the different folder, and new file is there. Now what we have to do, again you have to push the data. So what we have to do, we have to commit first, then push. So first of all we have to commit the git commit m, and we are telling that this is updated file like this. Now we have to push the information because the repository we have added once, no need to write again. Now I have to push this information again, and it will, you see, it will update the information. So no need to write this repository information again and again. Now I will refresh and you will see the new folder will be created like this, a new file will come and the file updated. You see under this we have file also, so file updated. So this is the way by which we can upload the data on GitHub first time also, and after the first time you can update regularly by only using the 2 and 3 command like file add command, this one, then commit, and then push command like this. These are the way to work on GitHub and to update or upload your information from the command prompt on GitHub repository. This is in this video. See you in more videos. Till then, bye.